the Germans came in and they used to grab people left and right, and they would take them to work to different places, like the airport or the citadel or the railway station. And so then an order was given was given out by the Germans through they already formed the Judenrat, a Jewish committee group, and they gave an order that one person from each house should report to work at the market. Say the market. My oldest brother actually learned to fix shoes. He was the breadwinner of our house at the time, because I was at the time about 12 years old or so. So since my oldest brother was the breadwinner, and my older sister, she stayed home, so it was assumed that I will be the one to go to work. And I volunteered. I said, yes, I will go. And so I went. I worked in all these different places that I mentioned to you before. And eventually I ended up working on the railway station, because when the group was walking towards the railway station, they passed our house, right in the front of our house. So I used to join them, and I worked on the railway station. I volunteered to go to work, and I worked in all these places, and the day they rounded up the first big, most of the Jews from our town, and they were taken to the railway station, and I knew that was what was going on. So I walked over to the railway station. And sure enough, I walked over to the railway station, and there was my brother, my mother, and younger, an older sister. My brother and an older sister. So when my mother saw me, she said, "Gaat weer in the life awake." So I wasn't going to argue with my mother. I slipped under the wagons and disappeared in the cornfields. That night, I went to a customer that we used to deal with. My mother, my older brother was fixing shoes for them, and they knew us. So I went to her house at dusk, and she did let me in, and she let me sleep overnight. That was that time with my younger brother. Anyway, the next night, in the morning, she says to me, you better not in Polish, she says. And I was very fluent in Polish because I went to school, and I was able to understand everything in Polish, and also speak well. So she said to me that I shouldn't come back, because if my neighbors will find out that she's hiding a Jewish person, she will get into trouble. She'll get, and then them days, they said if if somebody hit a Jewish if somebody told on a Jewish person, they would get a kilo of sugar as a reward for telling where he is or so forth. The next few nights, one night I did sleep under a barn where they threw out the manure, and I was under this because it was already like in November and cold. It was cold weather. And in the morning I went to the railway station and joined the group.